Now we are going to show you how we can count different type of numbers on the basis of different requirements in an array. Let's see the following programs. This program also stores the 10 numbers during the runtime of the array, and it counts how many numbers are inputted greater than or equal to 0. Just let's see the code of the program. It has a normal header files as other programs, then it has the main functions. Then the first part of the array is declare the array and other variables. This is the first part. We have declared the array is num with 10 and C for the count and this I for input using the loop. The next section is code to input. We can input the values in this way. Then next section is to display the numbers on the screen. Then this is the code to count. The code to count is the variable for counting the number is initialized from 0, and inside the for loop we have used here these conditions to recognize which numbers are greater than or equal to 100. Then the C++ will count the code. If this condition is true, then the value of C will be increased. Just let's compile the program. Then it has no errors and run the programs. We can just enter the values, just is 20, then 10, then 120, then 130, then 5, then 60, then 55, then 300, then 200, then 11. Now see here, this out of these numbers there are total 4 numbers which are greater than or equal to 100. See here, 120 is 1, 130 is 2, 300 is another number 3, and 200. Total 4 numbers are here which are greater than or equal to 100. If you want to show the execution process with watch window, just click on window menu, then click on watch, type the name of the variable, just name of the array is num, then count type I, then type num, just num, then I, then type here C. Now press the above part of the program, then just you can declare the breakpoint here. Just press the debug menu, then click on breakpoint, then edit, type on, click here new, then click on OK. Now type this, just run the program and type the different numbers is 300, then 11, then 22, 33, 44, then 120, then 55, 66, 77, 88. Now see here, the array has these numbers 300, 11, 22, 33, and out of these numbers it will count how many numbers are there which are greater than or equal to 100. Now see the execution process. The value of C is 13348 at first. Now after the execution of this line, the value of C will be 0. Just press F7. See here, the value of C is 0. And after the initialization of this loop, the value of I will be 0. Just press F7. Now see here, the num I, now these conditions, the value of num I is 300. Now just check the conditions. Num I, the value of num I is 300. It shows here 300 is greater than or equal to 100. This is true. So the execution line goes here. The value of C will be increased by 1. That means the value of C is 0. So it will be 1. Now press F7. Now again the value of num I will be 11. So 11 is greater than 100. That is false. This means second number is not greater than or equal to 100. So press F7. Now it compares another value 22. 22 is greater than 100. This is false. So the execution line will not go to this line of code. Just it goes to the another number. Just see here, instead of 22 it comes here now 33. Just press F7. This condition is also false. Just F7. Now see here, the num I is 122. This 122 is greater than 100. Condition is true. Now the execution goes here. The value of C will be increased by 1. That means C equal to 1. That means it will be 2. In this way, it will go up to the last number and it will count how many numbers are greater than or equal to 100. Just press F7 and it finds that there are only 2 numbers which are greater than or equal to 100. In this way, we can count the different numbers according to the different requirements in the array.